Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets, your trusted source for valuable investment insights, stock recommendations, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll delve into the best semiconductor stocks to buy right now with just $500. Imagine transforming a modest $500 investment into a financial powerhouse by tapping into one of the most dynamic and essential sectors in technology. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around to find out how these stocks can help you do just that. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. You don't need a fortune to make a significant return on your investments. In fact, putting as little as $500 into carefully chosen semiconductor stocks can yield impressive gains. Today, we'll discuss three standout companies in the semiconductor sector: Taiwan Semiconductor, Micron Technology, and Lam Research. Each of these companies is uniquely positioned in the market and has the potential to deliver substantial returns on your investment. Semiconductors are the backbone of modern technology, powering a wide range of devices and appliances we use every day. From smartphones and computers to cars and household appliances, the semiconductor industry has consistently provided high returns for investors, with many top corporations relying on these essential components to drive their revenue growth. Think about your daily routine. Your smartphone's alarm wakes you up, you check emails on your laptop, stream music during your workout, use your smart refrigerator for breakfast, and drive to work in a car equipped with advanced electronic systems. Behind all these conveniences are semiconductors making everything tick seamlessly. This omnipresence makes semiconductor companies crucial players in the tech-driven modern economy. To get a sense of how well semiconductor stocks have performed historically, we can look at the iShares Semiconductor ETF. This ETF is up by 31% year-to-date and has surged by 267% over the past 5 years, outpacing popular indices like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite. While investing in an ETF can provide broad exposure to the sector, picking individual semiconductor stocks can yield even higher returns if you choose wisely. When evaluating semiconductor stocks, investors should look for companies with strong competitive advantages, rising revenue, and high profit margins. Here are three semiconductor stocks to consider if you have $500 to invest. First up, we have Taiwan Semiconductor, ticker TSM, a leader in the semiconductor industry known for its significant investments in artificial intelligence, AI. The company recently opened a new chip packaging plant, enhancing its ability to produce more AI chips. This development has generated excitement among investors, driving the stock up by 65% year-to-date and 328% over the past 5 years. Taiwan Semiconductor also offers a 1.4% dividend yield and trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 34 times. In the first quarter, Taiwan Semiconductor reported a 16.5% year-over-year revenue growth, with net income increasing by 9%, resulting in a 38.1% net profit margin. The company's guidance for the second quarter anticipates revenue between $19.6 billion and $20.4 billion, with the midpoint representing a 27.6% growth rate compared to the second quarter of 2023. Wall Street analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy, with a projected 6% upside and a high price target of $200 per share, suggesting a potential 19% gain. But before we proceed, here's a question. What do you think is the most critical factor driving the growth of semiconductor stocks in the current market? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Next, we have Micron Technology, ticker MU, another top performer in the semiconductor space. Micron's shares have risen by 69% year-to-date and 260% over the past 5 years. The company, which boasts a market capitalization of $154 billion, offers a 0.3% yield. Micron has been in business for over 45 years and is well positioned to benefit from AI trends. In its fiscal second quarter, Micron reported an impressive 57.7% year-over-year revenue growth, with net income more than doubling to $793 million. The company closed out the quarter with a 13.6% net profit margin. According to President and CEO Sanjay Mehrotra, Micron is one of the biggest beneficiaries of the multi-year AI opportunity in the semiconductor industry. The company's guidance for the third quarter of fiscal year 2024 anticipates revenue of $6.6 billion, up from $3.75 billion a year ago, representing a 76% year-over-year increase. Analysts rate Micron as a strong buy, with a projected 10% upside. Micron Technology's robust growth can be attributed to its focus on memory and storage solutions, crucial for various tech applications, including data centers, personal computing, and mobile devices. As AI and machine learning become more prevalent, the demand for memory chips is expected to rise significantly, positioning Micron for continued success. Furthermore, Micron's ongoing investments in research and development ensure that it remains at the forefront of technological advancements, giving it a competitive edge in the market. Micron's product portfolio includes dynamic random access memory, DRAM, and NAND flash memory, both of which are essential for the functioning of modern devices. The company's innovation in 3D NAND technology has set it apart in the industry, allowing it to produce more efficient and reliable memory solutions. This focus on cutting-edge technology not only drives revenue growth, but also positions Micron as a leader in the semiconductor market. Lastly, let's talk about Lam Research, ticker LRCX, which continues to outperform the market with a 37% year-to-date gain and a remarkable 445% gain over the past 5 years. Lam Research is a key player in the semiconductor industry, providing wafer fabrication equipment essential for chip making. Wafers serve as the foundation for chips, and Lam's equipment enables the production of smaller, more efficient devices. Lam Research stands to benefit from the increasing demand for semiconductors and AI advancements. After a period of declining revenue due to temporary headwinds, the company reported a 0.9% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth in the first quarter, reaching $3.79 billion. Net income was $965.8 million, resulting in a 25.5% net profit margin. Lam Research generates a significant portion of its revenue from Asia, with China accounting for 42% of total revenue, Korea 24%, and Japan and Taiwan each contributing 9%. Wall Street analysts have rated Lam Research as a moderate buy, with the highest price target of $1,325 per share, suggesting a potential 29% upside. Lam Research's innovation in wafer fabrication technology is a key driver of its success. The company's equipment enables the production of advanced semiconductor devices, which are essential for the latest technological advancements, including AI, 5G, and IoT. By continuously improving its technology, Lam Research ensures that it meets the evolving needs of the semiconductor industry and maintains its competitive edge. Let's take a quick look at our chart for a deeper dive into the impressive metrics of these semiconductor stocks. Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, boasts a market cap of $947 billion, with a 65% year-to-date gain and a staggering 328% gain over the past 5 years, with a 1.4% dividend yield and a solid 34 times PE ratio. It's a strong contender, backed by a robust 16.5% revenue growth and a 38.1% net profit margin. Micron Technology, MU, with a market cap of $154 billion, shows an outstanding 69% gain year-to-date and 260% over 5 years. It has an impressive 57.7% revenue growth and more than 100% net income growth, driven by its focus on memory and storage solutions. Despite a lower dividend yield of 0.3%, its growth prospects remain strong. Lam Research continues to excel with a 37% year-to-date gain and a remarkable 445% gain over 5 years. With a market cap of $142.87 billion and a 0.74% dividend yield, it maintains a high 39.81 times PE ratio. The company's 0.9% quarter-over-quarter revenue growth and 25.5% net profit margin underline its consistent performance and innovation in wafer fabrication technology. Investing in these semiconductor giants, each with unique strengths and growth trajectories, could be a savvy move for maximizing your $500 investment in the tech-driven market. Investing in semiconductor stocks can be a smart move for those looking to grow their wealth. These 3 companies, Taiwan Semiconductor, Micron Technology, and Lam Research, are well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for semiconductors, driven by technological advancements and the increasing importance of AI. The semiconductor industry's prospects are further buoyed by the global push for digital transformation. Governments and corporations alike are investing heavily in upgrading their technological infrastructure, leading to sustained demand for advanced semiconductor solutions. For instance, the rollout of 5G technology, autonomous vehicles, and the expansion of the Internet of Things, IoT, are all expected to drive significant growth in the semiconductor sector. Moreover, semiconductors are not just about the technology sector. They have a profound impact on various industries, including healthcare, automotive, and manufacturing. For example, modern healthcare relies on sophisticated semiconductor-based devices for diagnostics, treatment, and research. Similarly, the automotive industry is increasingly dependent on semiconductors for everything from engine management to advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. As investors, it's crucial to recognize these broader trends and understand how they can influence the performance of semiconductor stocks. By staying informed and making strategic investments, you can position yourself to benefit from these long-term growth drivers. For those new to investing in semiconductor stocks, it's also helpful to follow market news and trends closely. Keeping an eye on earnings reports, product launches, and major industry announcements can provide valuable insights into the future performance of these stocks. Additionally, consider diversifying your investment portfolio to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. Remember, while these stocks have strong potential, it's essential to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive and can be subject to significant volatility. However, with careful selection and a long-term perspective, investing in semiconductor stocks can be a rewarding strategy. In conclusion, if you have $500 to invest, consider these 3 semiconductor stocks. Taiwan Semiconductor, with its robust AI investments and impressive growth. Micron Technology, benefiting from AI trends and strong revenue growth. And Lam Research, a key player in the chip-making process with significant exposure to the Asian market. Each of these companies has unique strengths and offers the potential for substantial returns. Thank you for watching Simple Investing Secrets. Before we wrap up, here's one last question. What's your strategy for picking stocks in a volatile market? Share your insights with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. See you in the next video.